The Expert PX2R double limiter DSP stands out as a compact digital processor that gives car and pro audio systems very precise control over 2 inputs and 6 independent outputs. Its combination of a detailed graphic equalizer and separate parametric equalization on every channel makes it easy to correct room issues and fine-tune the tonal balance. Built-in limiters that handle both continuous and peak levels help protect amplifiers and speakers while still letting the system play cleanly at high volume. The crossover section supports multiple classic filter types with steep slopes, allowing smooth handoffs between subwoofers, mid-range drivers, and tweeters. Bluetooth control with high-resolution processing and very low latency lets you adjust settings wirelessly without sacrificing audio quality. A sturdy aluminum housing, compact dimensions, and flexible features like independent delay, polarity control, and user memories make this processor well suited for serious custom installations.